the rucksack that we created right at the top of our file here that we've done absolutely nothing with so far. So I've added 3 random things, a key, a duck and a brush to my rucksack, and I'm going to come up with the third scenario of what to do. Now we're going to print out what is in the rucksack. So we're going to say, you look in your rucksack and find, rucksack. So that's going to print out what is in our rucksack. Perhaps there is something in your bag which can help. You look in your rucksack and find a key, a duck and a brush. Super, so let's come up with a scenario that will use these seemingly 3 random objects. Now, at the moment we have asked a situation and we said to use some of the items in our rucksack. However, unless we remove them from our rucksack, they're always going to be there, so we better add the relevant bit of code that does that. So if choice 3 equals K, to your great luck, the key fits the door and you fall into the house in the nick of time, let's remove the key from our rucksack. So to do this, we do rucksack dot remove brackets quotation key. Now, rucksack is whatever you've called your bag. So if you call it bag or you've called a box or whatever you want to call it in your game, you need to put that name of the variable there. Dot remove is the command, what we're going to do. And inside of the brackets and inside of the quotations is the string of what you're going to remove. It's got to be something that is actually already in the bag. And as we've just checked, key is in the bag. So rucksack.remove key. Okay, so on this occasion, we have removed a duck. So let's do the same thing again. Duck. And on this time, we have removed the brush. Rucksack.remove brush. Okay, super. However, we don't know what is now in our rucksack afterwards, so it would be a good idea maybe to add what is in our rucksack to our lives score function at the top of our file. So if we go all the way up to the top again and find our lives score here, let's add another line. Let's say your rucksack contains, and a colon. And then D, rucksack. Okay, to improve that. Super. So now that we've added that line up the top here, and we've got a live score down the bottom, hopefully it will all work. To use the key, D to release the duck and buy some time, or B to throw the brush at the monster. Let's press K. There we go, and now we've only got a duck and a brush. There's little things here like I just need to sort out that question about throwing the brush at the monster again. So colon and a space, and maybe improve on the spacing. So that is how to remove something from the rucksack. In the next video, I'll show you how to pick something up and add it to the rucksack.